we have seen. Now we will arrange by our own. You can see here 1 into 12, 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are 12. Again in the next table, if you will choose where 12 comes, so next number will be 4. So 4 already here, 6 already here, 12. So all the multiples of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. In this way we will arrange. Okay. So first 1. That means 12 seats we will arrange in this way. And 12, 1. So column wise we will arrange 12. So arrangement of 12 seats in two ways we can do according to this. Now arrangement of 12 seats according to this. That means 2. Column wise you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 rows. And now see here 2 rows. And here column. You can 6 seats in one row and second row. Here 6 rows are there and 2 columns are there. Okay. Now 3. So 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. Only this arrangement we can do. Okay. For 12 Teraman seats. Now see here. If 15 seats are there, so 15 seats first we will multiple we will find. You can see here 1 into 15, 15, 3 5s are 15. But for arrange now for 20 we will calculate. Now see here 1 into 20, 20, 2 into 10s are 20, 4 into 5, 4 5s are 20. So multiples of, because next number if you will choose 5, so 5, 10. So reverse order started. So we will write the multiples of 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Okay. Now see in the grid here, rectangle made of 20 boxes is drawn. The width of this rectangle is 2 boxes. You can see already we have done 2 10s are 20. So 10 is the length and 2 is breadth. Okay. Or you can write length. Length always we take longest side, always we take length of rectangle. So length is this we will assume, because rectangle we see in this way. Okay, length and breadth. Now next is color a rectangle made of 20 boxes in some other way. So I have given already the multiples of 20. So 1. That means row wise you will take 20 and crayons color you can use. So 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Only 17 are there. So what you will do, you will color here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So whole row you will color. Okay. Now in this way vertically also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, you will color. So 20 row wise and column wise. So length of this 20 and breadth will be 1. And here longest side. So you can assume length and any breadth. Now next is 2 tensa. So already given. Now you will 10. So you will take 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 here and a color. Okay. Now next is 4 5s. So 4 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. In this way. So here the answer will be, what is the length and width of the rectangle? So you can assume any length, any width. If length you are assuming 4, so width will be 5. But my point of view, longest side always we assume length. Okay. In how many ways can you color a rectangle? So whatever number of ways you are getting, you will do. Okay. afterwards I explained you already how you can find the factors or bangles, how we can arrange in the different way. So multiples I taught you by taking example 12, 15 and 20. So I think you can do this. Now see here, next I was explaining you this table. I told you first you will fill. So in this way I think you have done the work. You can see the table. So now see here the question based on the table. What are the factors of 10? Okay. And can you do this from the chart? Definitely. What are the factors of 36? Okay. And what is the biggest number for which we can find the factor from the chart? What can you do for the numbers bigger than that? Okay. See here. First 10. So 10 is here. You can use red color for 10. So 10 is here. Afterwards you can see the 10 is here, except 10 is here, and 10 is here. So you will see 1 into 10. I am doing here rough work beta. 1 into 10. Okay. Then second times 2 into 5. Then 5 into 2. Already we have taken 5 into 2 and 10 into 1 also we have taken. So done. So all the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Same way I explained you by taking example of 12 and 20. Now we have to find the factor of 36. So see, find in the 36. From this table we have to calculate. So 3. 36 is here. So first 36 is divisible by 1 also. So 1 into 36. And 36 is divisible by 2 also. 18 times. Okay. 36 is divisible by 3 also. In this table, because table is only till 12. If we will extend the table, definitely we will get. If we extend the table till 36, then we will get this number. Okay. So 3. Then 36. So 4 into 9. You can see 4 and 9. Now 36, no. 6 into 6, 36. Okay. Then next 9 into 4. So already. So our process we will close here. So all the factors of 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 2 times 6 we will not take. 6, 4, 6 only one time. 9, 12, 18 and 36. Now biggest number you can see. We can find the factor of from this table. Only 144, because the last biggest number in this table is 144. So 144 we can find the factor. So 12 is the factor of 144. So many factors we can find. Okay. And if we will extend the table, then we can find the factors of other numbers. Okay. See here, common factors. Write the factors of 25 in the red circle. Okay. So 25 is divisible by 1. How many times? 25 times. So 25 and 1 both. 1 into 25 and 5 into 25. So factors 5 and 25. Okay, I am explaining here only. and factors of 35. So 35 is divisible by 1, then 5, 5 sevens are, and then 35. Which are the factors you have written in the common part? So common part, that means this and this and this. So here, from here we will rub this 2 number. You can see here, I will rub this because they both numbers are common, and the common part we are showing with purple color. You can see. So 1 and 5. These are common factors of 25 and 35. Now write the factors of 40 in the red circle and 60 in the blue circle. So this I will teach you on the green board. So factors of 40. 1 into 40, 2 into 20, 4 into 10, 5 into 8. Next number, if you will, take 6. So 40 is not divisible by 6, 40 is not divisible by 7, but 8. So already 8. So you will stop here. So all the factors of 40, 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 40. Same way, 1 into 60, 2 into 30, 3 into 20, 4 into 15, 5 into 12, 6 into 10. You can see here. Now what you will do, you will draw circle in this way, rough notebook, and okay. Now first, what children I am telling you, you will write all the factors of this, all the factors of this. Then check, 1 is here, 1 is here, so write in the common part. 2 is here, 2 is here, write in the common part. Then 4 is here, 4 is here, write in the common part. 5, 5, and cut the numbers from both the circles. 10, 20, and left numbers you can see. So common factors of 40 and 60 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now you will write here. Okay. Now what are the factors written in the common part of the circles? You will write from the green board, which is the biggest common factor. So biggest common factor you can see what? 20, exactly 20. So 40 is divisible by 20 and 60 is divisible by 20. Both the numbers. 40 is divisible by 20 2 times and 60 is divisible by 20 3 times. And 2 and 3 both are prime numbers. Okay. So our sum is correct.